Hello, class, and welcome to our 15th lecture series on international finance. And I'm your instructor, Jamal. Hi there. So, our today's class is basically the review class. We already finished our contents, course syllabus as well. So, let's talk about the paper pattern and some review.
Sounds good.
So,
Hello, sir.
we discuss about that our final exam is going to be on 29th of December, right? We already,
Yes,
yeah, it's on Tuesday,
we all agreed on that. Yeah.
right? And
Yes.
we also discussed about the timing. We talked about that we are going to start at 6:30.
Yes.
Sorry, not 6:30. Sorry, it's
Wait,
9:30.
wasn't it as usual, or we decided to move it backwards?
What
I can
movie?
actually check on the video later when I'm at home. I'm just in the library. The internet is very slow here.
Yeah, sure.
I can check it and send it in the group chat so that everyone knows.
Sure. That would be helpful.
All right,
Okay,
no
so
worries.
we started our first class and we talk about the course policy. So we started that the assignment's going to be 30%. Class participation, including attendance, your question and answer, and also behavior. So I think the whole class showed a pretty damn good behavior, which I wasn't expecting, but really good job. I have to credit you guys. You really did a really good job when it comes to behaving in the class.
Thank you, sir.
And then we talk about the midterm, we talk about the final term, and all include 30%. So as I told you that 30% is in your hand. If you submit all the assignments on time, it's in your hand. That's it. Right? So
Yes.
by the way, today is 24th of December, and today is the last date for our assignment
Assignments
6.
6. Yeah.
Right? Okay. So also 10% is also in your hand. So 40% was of the subjects was in your hand. Attendance, question answer, behavior in the class, 30% assignments. All you have to do to work for just 20%.
To
Right?
pass. Yes.
So let's move forward. So the paper structure is that I would be uploading the paper as I uploaded in our midterm. So I would be uploading in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is going to be MCQs and true false. Right?
Yes.
That is part 1. And I would be also uploading the answer sheet so that you have less time to worry about, because I would be giving you very controlled environment to do this part 1, since this is the online exam and I need to control that window of cheating as well, so that I should be very fair to all students as well and maintain that equity as well. And the
Sure.
part 2 is going to be some numerical questions, but I would be testing more on part 1. It means if you talk about the partition, or if you talk about the weightage, part 1, I would be giving more weightage.
Yes, sir.
The chapters, we already talk about that. I already upload the MCQs, practice questions already on BB. You can download from there as well. Under the tab practice questions, you can go and you can download from chapter 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
This is the review time. If you have any question, so this is the best time for review. Welcome back, Ali.
Honestly, sorry, what?
There's one guy, Ali. I just talking.
Yeah, it's just us three.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any question regarding?
So most of it will be
Not-
theory, right?
Can you please repeat?
Most of the question will be based on theory, like you said, right?
Theory plus the calculations.
Okay.
Okay.
Similar to the homework. Like if we could do the homework, we'll be fine.
Similar to those questions that we already discussed in our assignments. And also the class work, we also
Sure.
doing a lot of questions. Sorry. Yes, David.
I have a question. I still didn't send you the assignment number 6.
Mhm.
So, is it okay with you if I send it within the hour?
Yes, you can send me till midnight.
I will send it within the hour because I already have it done, but it's at home,
You
but
can
I'm in the
send me.
library now.
You can send me till 11 a.m. because the date is 24th of December, but I will not be accepting on 25th of December.
So how much time do I have left?
You have like, I think more than 2 hours.
Oh, you will get it within the hour. You will see, sir.
I think
I'm
more
going
than
home now. Anyway.
2.5 hours. You can do that.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, any question from David and Ali? If no, then I
No,
assume
not.
that you already know. And if still question pops up, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can see the video over there. Or you can go to Blackboard, you can click the link over there. Or you can just message me in WeChat and we can talk about that.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
That's all for our today's lecture. And the final remarks, I do miss you guys because this is the most intelligent class that I had. So amazing experience with you guys as well. I should give you the credit. I was talking about the David before Ali joined, and I was talking about that. This is the super duper class, well behaved, asking many questions, and well engaged. And I really loved this class.
Thank you. We enjoyed being taught by you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
So I'm just gonna end this lecture. So
Okay.
hope for the best. Best of luck for your final exam, and
Thank you.
Happy New Year as well.
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year to you too, and Merry Christmas, sir.
Okay. Take care as well. Bye bye.